Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? I'm doing fine. If you want to see me use the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk palette and how I created this look using it, make sure you keep on watching this video. As you can notice, I'm getting kind of consistent and I'm actually really happy and very motivated to do this. I've been posting, 2 Mondays in a row now, and then I posted last Friday, so this one will be going up on a Friday because I'm recording this on a Tuesday, so that's why I'm saying that. But yeah, I'm really happy and I'm really hoping this boost of motivation continues for me and I can keep on putting out content for you guys, and I'm really enjoying and I'm very appreciative and thankful for all the love I've been getting on my previous videos and my Instagram posts. Yeah, thank you guys so much for everything and helping motivate me to keep this channel going. So before we jump into the tutorial for this look, make sure you press that subscription button down below and then you press the bell notification button as well. I don't know why I keep doing this with my hands. I'm wearing a really big sweater right now and that's probably why. But yeah, hit that subscribe button down below, join the family, and without further ado, let's go ahead and zoom in and start the face. Alrighty, let's get into today's look, and again, it is going to be the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk palette. Sorry, I had to take a breath. Where am I? The first color I want to jump into is this one called Sunset Rose. I'm just placed that as my sort of transition color. So taking Sunset Rose. Don't mind the eyebrows. I know they could look better, but I'm in between haircuts right now because I was gonna go this previous weekend, but I had some stuff to do, so I didn't go get a haircut, and I'm gonna be super busy all this week with other stuff, so I'll go back to being sexy. I'm short. I don't know when. Soon. Sometime soon. I'll just say soon. Just to prevent any... whatever. Let me just go back to eyeshadow. So I'm actually going to place this all over my lid just because there's not too many colors in this that I want to do, just because honestly going to work wearing makeup, I try not to do something too over the top just because I work in a professional setting and I don't want to not be professional, so try to keep the makeup to, I'm not gonna say a minimum, but something nice, whatever. Just so piling Scarlet Dusk, Sunset Rose is the name of the color, Sunset Rose, all over the eye. If you're noticing the lighting is sort of different in this video, it's because I'm not using a bunch of studio lights like I usually do. I'm only using my ring light just because I honestly shouldn't be admitting this, but I felt lazy and didn't want to set all that up. So, okay, now that we've got all that sort of on there and going, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the next color, which is Crimson, which I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm just going to use that to sort of deepen and add some dimension to this look. Now Crimson is showing to be a very strong color. So I might have lied about the whole minimum and soft glam for work kind of thing, so whatever happens, happens. But I'm liking how Crimson is looking on top of Sunset Rose right now. I'm really liking this blend of color. Alrighty, and so I'm going to take just a sort of smaller blending brush, like so, kind of just went cross-eyed for a second, and I'm going to go ahead and use the color Shade, but I'm only going to take a little bit of it, and I'm going to place that only on the outer portion of the eye, like just right here. And this is to add that dimension and 3D effect-ish of the eye, kind of bring the shape back to my eye. Okay, and now that that's piled on, I don't want to do my usual cut creasing just because I'm honestly not really in the mood and I'm feeling lazy. I'm going to go ahead now and jump into the color Hibiscus with a flat brush. This is the ES06 from Juno & Co. I'm going to jump into the color Hibiscus and I'm just going to fake a cut crease with this. And it is blending nicely with all these other colors I'm using. Haha, might have found a banger. So far, Hibiscus is my favorite color that I'm using in this. I actually keep on piling that just because I really like how it's looking. This might honestly be one of my shorter videos. I try to keep them around 10, 15, 20 at the longest. So we'll see how long this one ends up being. Just because I'm not doing too much. I'm not going too crazy with the eyeshadow. I'm just kind of something normal. And notice there has been no fallout in this look today. And wow. And there's barely any kickback in the pan. So this little thing might be worth a purchase so far. Letting y'all know. I mean, obviously I've already got it, so. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna take a small little, this brush, and I'm gonna take the color Bahamas, and I'm gonna blend that along the outer portion of my under eye. You know what this palette would be very good for? A Valentine's Day look. Hint, hint. I don't know why, I'm just gonna try this out. I'm gonna take an angled brush, the ES09 by Juno & Co. And I'm gonna go into that color Crimson, and I'm gonna put that on the remainder of my under eye. I'm gonna take that same exact angled brush, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump into the color Shade, and I'm gonna use that as like water liner. Let's hope I don't stab myself in the eye. Alrighty, mission accomplished. And then finally, to top off the eye, I'm gonna jump into the color Maui, and I'm gonna use that as an inner corner highlight, taking a small brush per usual. All inner corner highlight ever really is, because they're all gonna end up looking the same pretty much. All it is just a bright shimmery color on the inside of your tear duct that makes stuff pop. So don't expect too much variety with a inner corner highlight, sweetie. So now let's just throw on some mascara. Today I'm gonna be taking the L'Oreal, that V word. I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. If I can open this damn thing. What I like to do to like fake an eyeliner, I like to get very, very close to very close to the root of my lashes, just to make sure it's like heavily coated, and that helps me fake an eyeliner. Because like I've stated other times on this channel, if you know me, I am terrified of using a liquid liner. Speaking of liquid liner, if y'all have any tips for me, because again, I'm terrified of it and I'm not good at it. If y'all have any tips, always feel free. When it comes to actually anything, if you have any tips or something that you feel like I do differently or do wrong, even though makeup has no rules, let me know in the comment section. Again, I can handle criticism if it's executed well and constructive, not just rudeness. So now that the eyes are done, let's go ahead and zoom out and finish with the lips. So to finish off the look, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the color Cheeky, just because it's kind of like this orange gloss. Alright, so to completely finish it off, taking the NYX Professional Makeup Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray to just set everything in place. Alright you guys, this is the final look at everything. Let me know what you all think. Again, for like the millionth time, this was the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk eyeshadow palette. Yeah, just go ahead and let me know down in the comment section what you think of this look, if you would recreate it. Should I try using other colors from this palette at some point in time? Like, look at those are so beautiful. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for my next one. Peace.